Saan ka ba
No,
magbe-bridge?
Wait lang. Kaya mo mag-pearl papunta doon. Yung
Bakit?
malapit lang.
Bakit ako?
Okay? No, kailangan mo sumunod. Para lang di tayo
Bakit
gumamit ng
ako?
blocks.
Hindi
Aim
ako nasa
high.
point na yan. Eto, dito na lang dito. Dito mas
No,
safe.
just promise. Just aim high and throw.
No!
Look, I'm safe.
No,
Look at
you're not
me.
safe.
Aim
No!
high. Aim high and then throw. Come on.
Mahuhulog yung
Go.
pearl!
No.
Yes!
Takasan mo. Takasan mo and then throw. Takasan mo and throw. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Just aim high enough and throw. Ganun lang. Come on. You can do it. Just aim high. Come on. Aim high. Like, high. Come
Dito, dito,
on.
dito, dito, dito.
Come on. Sige, if you fall, I'll TP you back. I can type fast enough. Come on. Just try. See? See?
No.
That's simple. Come on.
It's not
You
simple.
can do
It's
it.
scary.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, it's
Just aim
scary.
high always.
No, don't.
Yun lang, yun lang, yun lang yung technique ng pearls. Just aim high enough para lang makatawid. Huwag kang mag-aim like straight kasi babagsak ka talaga. Okay, let's go. Let's bridge. Papunta rin sa kabila.
Nila, tumingin ka.
Oh, no! Oh, stop. 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 Okay, ako dito.
Kaya
Let's go.
magpa-pearls mo na ako. Ay, magpa-pearls. Magba-blocks mo na.
Make sure. Wait. What's that?
What's what?
Wait. Halika dito. Kita mo yun? Yun ba yung pillars?